How to check your Binance verification status. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can easily check your verification status on your Binance account. First off, you're going to have to open up Binance and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you can just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen to see your verification status. And once you tap on it, you'll find your name as well as your ID on top. So if you have the option that says verified, which that means that your account is already verified. If you haven't already, it's going to show you unverified right there. So you can either tap on your profile name or the arrow on the right side to go to your account info, then tap on the verifications options right on top. And from here, you should be able to see all of your account details like your account limits, as well as different products, and you can also see your personal information. If you scroll down a bit here, you'll see the personal information, and you'll find all of your detailed information right there. And if you haven't already verified, you just need a proof of address and some documentations, legal IDs to verify your account. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.